Entering a clean and fresh-smelling bathroom is a good thing that we all appreciate. Do you know what's even better? The fact that you could make your bathroom smell good effortlessly and naturally, and no one will be the wiser. Today, let's take a look at a simple trick for having a fresh-smelling bathroom. Your health from the inside out. The bathroom may not be where crowds gather, but having a clean and fragrant bathroom is something everyone appreciates. Markets today are full of chemical products promising a fresh-smelling bathroom. Powders, liquids, foaming agents, even wall plug-ins, and Lord knows what chemicals are in those. A lot of us want to stay as far away as we can from strong chemicals that may do long-lasting harm to our systems. So what is left to do? We're going to explore a very simple way to have a fresh-smelling bathroom that takes literally seconds to do and will avoid the prolonged use of harsh and costly chemicals. Our secret is going to be oil. Baby oil, mineral oil, any neutral oil, or even a fragrant essential oil that you like. Here's all you'll need: 1 toilet paper roll and the oil of your choosing. But make sure you choose your oil wisely, as this will be the smell of your bathroom for days. Here's what you'll do. Just put a few drops of whatever oil you choose inside the toilet paper roll. Just a few drops, maybe 3 or 5, and that's it. Then put the toilet paper roll back in the holder, and it's finished. You see, whenever someone uses the toilet paper, that rolling motion will release the fresh odor into your bathroom. Simple, right? Also, if you keep your bathroom door closed during the day, it'll hold the fresh aroma inside the bathroom. Obviously, besides doing this, whatever regular bathroom cleaning you do will help to keep things odor-free. Simply emptying the trash can diminish smells. Clean on a regular basis, at least weekly, just as you normally would. For the freshest smell, you may even change and wash the sanitary brush, making sure it's doing its best. But this odor trick on the toilet roll is super simple and it works incredibly well. Do you have any simple cleaning tricks for your bathroom? We want to know in the comments. Thanks for subscribing. Please give us a thumbs up and come back for more tips and health ideas.